so there's a hiccup that's happened. Obviously, I am not the one responsible for this hiccup. मुझसे तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. But some people have made a mistake. Decor का पूरा bag हम लोग बॉम्बे में ही भूल गए हैं. So now we have people who've left from Bombay and they're bringing the decor here as we speak. We're still having more fun than what the boys did at the bachelors, which counts the most.
Bride is here. I was locked in the room for 40 minutes. Then my girls told me kuch hiccup hua hai. I'm like, okay. They have asked me to get ready for the pool, so I'm gonna go change. Oh, I see some balloons. So they said 1 घंटे बाद वापस से मुझे रूम में फेंक देंगे.
Because of the hiccup, hiding decor from the bride for now.
Down. Cute. Very okay. Cute. We will get ready. Nice. This is the color. The balloons are here. The bride is ready. What cool. Let's go. Okay, story time. Few days ago, Riya Gera had sent me the villa का link. मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं जाना है.
डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं देखा
था.
और फिर बोला ठीक है बुक कर लो.
फिर जब भी हमने नेक्स्ट टाइम दिखाया तो हमने बोला ये अच्छा हम इधर जा रहे हैं.
मुझे इधर नहीं है, ये तो नहीं अच्छा लगा.
हाँ, तो मैं थोड़ा नाटक किया था कि नहीं, वी कैन डू बेटर, नहीं जाते हैं, छोड़ो यहाँ पे ही करते हैं. देन दीज गर्ल्स वर लाइक नहीं हम जा रहे हैं. आशना एंड रिया वर लाइक नहीं हम जा रहे हैं. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ठीक है डन. तो मैं थोड़ा और नाटक किया. एंड देन आई गॉट अ मैसेज दैट इट इज बुक्ड.
We started conversations in December.
एंड
It is now Jan end. It is 31st of Jan today.
आई एम नॉट डिफिकल्ट एज दे
She's not a bridezilla at all. She's not. She's really not.
guys, I'm the bride to be.
Be nice to us.
Be nice to me. And right now we are going to jump in the pool. You have to take what they are chatting. I want to leave. I've been sent inside.
Shut the door, na. Shut the door, Riya. Please shut the door. Be nice.
See,
मतलब तेरे को अंदर भी जाते से बाहर आ जाएगी.
are you Nisha or what?
Seems like it.
Yeah, no?
Whatever.
Be nice.
Woohoo! Let's go. Are we ready?
Let it begin. Cheers, guys. Y'all want?
One word for the bride. It's not that difficult. Difficult. That's my word.
सबने साथ में बोल दिया गुंडी.
Gundi? I'm the most easiest
Yeah,
person
yeah.
ever.
बोल दिया उसने word.
Most easiest. अर्चना कुछ बोलना था. अर्चना हुआ me? हुआ you guys?
We're not bridesmaids. We're only maids. That's our word for Riya this wedding season. Maids.
इसमें कहाँ से डेफ कहाँ पे डेफ देख.
Who cares?
ऐसे नहीं देखें मुझे. मजा आ गया सबको पानी में फेंक कर. उल्टा बोल रही हूँ. बोल रही है यार. पहले टेस्ट करना हाथ फ्लोट हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Drinks दे दो.
I like that Diet Coke in it. Guys, I am 32, so I can drink now. I love my floating private bar. That's a good one. I drink 18. Team RJ. Woo! Come on! So cute! Cheers!
Exactly. मैं भी आ रही हूँ. Touch me नहीं देखो.
And the top. My cute little bridesmaid is here. Oi.
Oh my god!
Okay, that's it. I've been asked to go in my room. Okay, bye guys. Bye.
And this, huh? लेमन चलो है उधर.
तो ये डालूं स्प्राइट?
नहीं, पहले शैंपेन डालते हैं. Everyone, if it's good or bad, just shut up and drink.
Who doesn't have a bridal trivia?
Very strong.
Best right
This is too good.
This needs more syrup.
Yeah. You can pull it out
And
and
put them
stuff.
एक के ऊपर एक only. ऐसे दिखाना मत.
हाँ हाँ.
Because roses in one, oranges one, tulips in one. नहीं?
Ready for Team RJ.
First time I am नहीं अंदर डाल. Have made me wait for an hour. बहुत मेहनत की है इन लोगों ने. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Asha, you only take the video.
रुको.
Yeah, done.
हम लोग हो गया. Go.
हम लोग उठ के नहीं खाते ना.
We are ready. Oh my god. Wow! Friday! Oh my god. Hi, Cupcake! Oh my god! This is so cute, guys! I love it! I love it!
Read the menu.
Read it.
If you love it, then read it. And decide what you want to drink first.
I love this. Thank you! So cute.
Ashna has hand painted them.
My friend, you
If I had to draw a leaf, it would be like a 1-year-old. Misha would draw a better leaf than
I know what to do.
besties for lifeies. Oh my god.
Okay.
I loved everything. It was so pretty. The cake, the bar, everything. I have no words right now. Mast ekdam. I love Aperol Spritz, so full theme is that. Let the bridal shower begin!
Let's go.
Cheers!
Let's go.
How's the love?
The blue Shara, not
They have killed it.
Let's raise a glass to a beautiful bride.
Happy Shadi, dear Riya. Happy Shadi to you. Shadi time it is.
Bless Akash.
अपना ही रही है तो केक भी I'm following your brief. It said when getting married, be nice to me.
That's all.
Yes, be nice to me.
Sally Juki.
Thank you, everybody, for doing this.
Thank you for being such a beautiful bride.